Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual Datejust Turn-O-Graph, the sportiest of Datejusts. Harks back to the early 1950s 6202 model that was designed with a rotating bezel, initially for travelers, but also in part for pilots and people with technical aptitude. So the watch in my hand is a early D series, so roughly 2005. It was sold in 2012. Funny to think these were slow sellers in their day. Today they're more collectible than contemporary fixed bezel Datejusts. In 904L steel and yellow gold, the watch is 36 millimeters in diameter. It's 11.6 millimeters thick. You can see that the watch in profile is 44 millimeters lug-to-lug, and from end link to end link, it's got a slightly larger span across the wrist of 45.3 millimeters with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference. And it fits nicely. Pull my glove out of the way a little bit so you can see this better. This is definitely a unisex option, as a man or a woman could wear it quite easily. It'll fit on a wrist as small as 13.5 centimeters circumference. My wrist right here is 16 centimeters, and you can see how perfectly planted that watch is. It's low enough to fit under a dress cuff and compact enough that it'll look fantastic on any wrist size. Taking a look at the bracelet, this is a dressier Turn-O with the two-tone treatment, the gold dial and the Jubilee bracelet, but it's the Super Jubilee, and you can see it's got center links, end links, all solid, removable links fixed by screws. Taking a quick look, you've got several of those removable links. Plenty of gaps between the links. It actually vents the wrist better than the 3-link sports bracelet, the Oyster, which is why I often say in the era of all solid links, you really don't need an Oyster for heavier duty use. The Jubilee today is just that tough, and that, of course, applies to this Jubilee from the mid-2000s as well. We've got a crown clasp setup where the only obvious partition point between the two sides of the clasp, the Rolex Coronet, famous on the President bracelet. It is available on the Jubilee, and this watch has it. So there's a little lift lock. You can see there's this beak, and then there's a hook. Those two things latch together, and you have to lift the lock to open it up. So it's quite a bit more secure than a simple friction fit system. We've got a conforming end link to make it cleanly to the case. 904L steel. The steel used here is more resistant to corrosion, and particularly in the face of sweat and sea salt. It will not rust if you don't rinse it. Believe it or not, some other stainless steels like 316 do need to be rinsed after exposure to salts. Taking a look at the crown, you can see it's a twin lock in gold. We know that because we have two dots. That means a twin lock in gold. Solid Oyster caseback, 100 meters water resistant, bidirectional rotating bezel. There is no detent here. It's a zero-click bezel. It glides possibly on some sort of a Teflon Norglide type bearing. And you can see you can line up that index with the minute hand, sometimes called the Thunderbird because the turnographs were used by the U.S. Air Force Aerobatic Demonstration Squadron. It's got a little bit of military heritage to it, and Thunderbird is just a cool name for a watch. So that nickname lives in fame, and this watch, kind of like the Air Force, is exactly that. It is famous. It is a rare sight. Everyone has a Datejust, but not everyone has a Turn-O-Graph. When people see it, they often exclaim how much they love it, or they have good faith questions about how a Datejust can have a rotating bezel, and you will be thrilled to answer those questions because this is that unique a watch. Taking a quick look at the dial, it's a lovely gold sunburst metallic. You can see we've got the chaptering outboard. We have applique indices which feature both a matte step and a polished step. We have gold hands, indices, and crown, so they won't tarnish or oxidize with time. It's not a roulette date. I thought I would demonstrate that by showing that the evens are also red. It's a red on white disc all the way around. We have the red varnished second sand and the signature red Turn-O-Graph script. Inside, manufacturer caliber 3135, protected down 100 meters. So bidirectional automatic winding, super smooth jeweled staff rotor. 48-hour power reserve, 31 joules, 4 hertz beat rate, quick set date, hacking seconds, full balance bridge, and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. Breguet over coil hairspring profile for concentric breathing and even timekeeping, no matter what the position of the movement. Again, a 48-hour power reserve with the smoothest and quietest rotor winding system I have ever encountered. Not just the jeweled staff, but Rolex's Teflon-coated reversing wheels. And then finally, this movement adjusted in 5 positions and certified as a COSC approved Swiss chronometer. So it is a very tough watch, being water resistant, shock resistant, also very accurate. It is the thinking man's sports watch with elegance of a Datejust, but a lot of the functionality of a pilot's watch. And of course, it would have been used by Air Force pilots. Most apropos, reach out to the Team Mosso at the 1916company.com email address for purchase and pricing details. Hang on, we're not quite done yet. Not quite. Now we're done. The loom shot. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.